Hi guys, it's Miss Brown speaking. So this week we have been learning about angles and you have been doing some work with angle pairs. Well, today we get to put all that information together to find the measures of angles within figures. So here's a quick review. Let's remember that complementary angles have a sum of 90 degrees. Complementary angles can look something like this. And a lot of times you'll see a little square here in the corner. That means 90 degrees. And so if this angle equals 30 degrees, then this angle over here would equal 60 degrees. So supplementary angles have a sum of 180 degrees. And a lot of times supplementary angles look something like this. You usually have some form of line, and then that line is formed by two angles. So if this angle over here is 120 degrees, then this angle has to be 60 degrees because 120 plus 60 is 180. And then next, vertical angles are opposite congruent angles formed by intersecting lines. Congruent just means they're equal. So if I have a line here and a line there, if this angle here measures 25 degrees, then the angle opposite to it measures 25 degrees as well. Another thing we need to remember is that a line measures 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So we will see figures that look something like this. And we have to find the measures of the missing angles and explain our reasoning. Now, you do not have to go in order of 1, 2, 3. You do what is best for you. What you can find first it doesn't matter. So on this particular figure 1, I actually am not going to find number 1 first. I'm going to find number 2 because I notice that this angle right here and then the angle opposite right there, I notice those are vertical angles. Therefore, if that one angle is 37 degrees, then angle 2 has to be 37 degrees as well. So I can put the measure of angle 2 as 37 degrees. And my reasoning is that angle 2 is vertical to the 37-degree angle. Okay, so I found one angle already. So let me find another angle. Now, I notice that, let me grab a highlighter and color this for you. I notice that this angle right here is a 90-degree angle. And the way I can tell that is a 90-degree angle is because there is a little box in the corner, and that little box is telling me that that is a 90-degree angle. So I also notice that there is an angle right here. And when I put that 90-degree angle together with the peach angle that I just highlighted, I notice that those two angles form a line. there is the line. Okay, so therefore, I can conclude that this angle right here is a 90-degree angle. Okay, well, remember we already found the measure of angle 2. We said that angle 2 was 37 degrees. So I know that angle 2 and angle 1 make up that peach angle, which is 90 degrees. So therefore, to find angle 1, all I would have to do is take that 90-degree angle and subtract 37. And I can conclude that angle 1 is 53 degrees. And my reasoning is that angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. And remember, complementary means that they sum to 90 degrees. Okay, almost there. So I need to erase some of my writing so you can understand what I'm talking about now. So next, I notice that I have an angle right here, and that angle is 37 degrees, of course. And I notice if I put that angle together with this angle right here, I notice that those two angles form this line. So therefore, I know a line is 180 degrees. I know that those two angles are supplementary. So to find angle 3, if they're supplementary, they would sum to 180 degrees. I just take 180 and subtract 37. So I can conclude that angle 3 is 143 degrees. And my reasoning is angle 3 and 37-degree angle are supplementary. Okay, so let's look partially at another example. So again, we have to find missing angles. So I can look at this drawing and I can tell that there is an angle here. And I can tell that that angle is opposite this angle here. And those two angles appear to be formed by intersecting lines. Therefore, I can conclude that angle C measures 139 degrees because angle C and the 139-degree angle are vertical. Okay, so let's look at something else. I'm going to erase so that you can tell what I'm doing. I'm going to look at this angle right here, the 139 again, but then I'm going to notice that when I put that 139 degree angle together with the angle that I just painted yellow, I'm going to notice that they will form a line. And I know a line is 180 degrees. Okay, so to find angle B, I will just take 180 degrees and subtract 139. And I know that angle B is going to be 41 degrees. And my reasoning is that angle B and the 139 degree angle are supplementary. Okay, guys, good luck.